Hello, everyone. My name is Chuck Eckenberg, and I'm also known as Uncle Chucke from Las Vegas, Nevada. And I wanted to take a moment to recommend an exceptional web developer I've worked with for over 6 years, Anwar Hossen, the owner of CoolWebTechie.com. Uh, Anwar has been my go-to person for all my internet projects. As you can see, I'm an old guy. I'm actually 82 years old. And I'm still have him building stunning WordPress websites to crafting custom designs and offering other essential web services. I first discovered him on Fiverr, and I've been consistently impressed ever since. What really sets Anwar and his team apart is their dependability and honesty. They always deliver what they promise and never fail to meet my expectations. No matter the challenge, they were reliable, professional, and committed to excellence. That's why I continue to work with them over the years, and they're simply the best. So if you're looking for a trustworthy and talented web developer, look no further than Anwar and CoolWebTechie.com. I can't recommend them enough. Thanks, Anwar, for your fantastic work.